The European Organization for Nuclear Research, known as CERN, derived from the name Conseil Européen pour la Recherche Nucléaire, is a European research organization that operates the largest particle physics laboratory in the world. Established in 1954, the organization is based in a northwest suburb of Geneva on the Franco-Swiss border and has 23 member states. Israel is the only non-European country granted full membership. CERN as an official United Nations observer. The acronym CERN is also used to refer to the laboratory, which in 2019 had 2,660 scientific, technical, and administrative staff members, and hosted about 12,400 users from institutions in more than 70 countries. In 2016, CERN generated 49 petabytes of data. CERN's main function is to provide the particle accelerators and other infrastructure needed for high-energy physics research. As a result, numerous experiments have been constructed at CERN through international collaborations. CERN is the site of the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, the world's largest and highest energy particle collider. The main site at Myron hosts a large computing facility, which is primarily used to store and analyze data from experiments, as well as simulate events. Researchers need remote access to these facilities, so the lab has historically been a major wide-area network hub. CERN is also the birthplace of the World Wide Web. The convention establishing CERN was ratified on the 29th of September 1954 by 12 countries in Western Europe. The acronym CERN originally represented the French words for Conseil Européen pour la Recherche Nucléaire, European Council for Nuclear Research, which was a provisional council for building the laboratory, established by 12 European governments in 1952. During these early years, the council worked at the University of Copenhagen under the direction of Niels Bohr before moving to its present site in Geneva. The acronym was retained for the new laboratory after the provisional council was dissolved, even though the name changed to the current Organisation Européenne pour la Recherche Nucléaire, European Organization for Nuclear Research, in 1954. According to Lou Kowarski, a former director of CERN, when the name was changed, the abbreviation could have become the awkward OERN, and Werner Heisenberg said that this could still be CERN even if the name is. CERN's first president was Sir Benjamin Lochspeiser. Eduardo Amaldi was the general secretary of CERN at its early stages when operations were still provisional, while the first director general, 1954, was Felix Bloch. The laboratory was originally devoted to the study of atomic nuclei, but was soon applied to higher energy physics, concerned mainly with the study of interactions between subatomic particles. Therefore, the laboratory operated by CERN is commonly referred to as the European Laboratory for Particle Physics, Laboratoire Européen pour la Physique des Particules, which better describes the research being performed there.